everybody. This is Bobbi Raffin with the Hopepreneurs. I am getting back into training mode, people. Okay, so this first video that I'm doing with my restart, you could say, is due to I have started a business. So back in October of 2022, I was let go from my job at Wishlist Products after working there for 12 years and 9 months. So I had to kind of like scramble and figure out my future plans. Did a lot of praying, talking to God, and this is what I found. So I'm with another company. Not as a job, my business, but what I'm doing is I'm starting to train. I really love training, so I'm getting back into doing the videos and the trainings because I did the onboarding. I don't even know if they still have it up, but while I was there, it was up. I did the onboarding sequence for Wishlist member for the new customers and clients. So I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to put my skills to use and start doing this again. It's been a while. So today what I want to talk to you about and get started, and a little easier subject for me to get out and about, what I'm going to do is talk to you about engagement group. Okay, where was I? My daughter left for work and I wanted to say goodbye, so I had to pause the video. But anyway, yeah, so I have some video editing skills, video creation skills I've learned along the way, marketing. What I was doing for a while was marketing some programs, which I will probably still be doing, but it's not going to be my main business. So I have a few different 100% commission programs where you buy it and then you can resell it for that same amount and you get 100% direct sale, right? It goes directly to you. And that takes a long time to build because it's not residual. I'm a residual gal. I am all about the residual pay. I want to build a business, all-encompassed business. I may have a portfolio of different things that connect in that business, but I want to build a business portfolio that is sustainable over the years. I ain't getting any younger. I'm old. I'm old, and I want to be able to retire my husband. I like doing this, so it's not like work, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to find another job. I've applied to a ton of them, so I don't know what God has in store for me in my future, but I think that He is like downloading what to do, so I need to do it. Anyway, I partnered with this gal, great business partner, in this new business. It's a residual business. You can get in for like $25. Same, but here's the one-time $20 fee, and here's the $25 monthly. That sounds like, oh, I don't want to pay. I don't want to be a member. I don't want to pay monthly. Okay, here's the thing. With the $25 100% commission, you're having to find new customers daily and monthly. All right, so the $25 monthly, you've already got this customer for the next month and the next month. So you just need extra customers to build on that. It's going to build a lot faster for you than the one-time 100% commission. It's going to build a lot faster for you. And this product that I have over here is a tool that I use for all of my other programs. I use it for everything else. It's wonderful. It's fantastic. I'm in love with this. And I was able to set up my business, no kidding, in like 2 days. A little less, actually, less than 2 days. Had it all set up, had it up on the great big old web, had opt-in page, had a thank you page, got the funnel created, I've got my email sequence going out, and I began marketing. now I get to do what I love to do and do little trainings. It's amazing. I love it. And today I had time to go out and wrestle a rascally rabbit that got out. Actually, I had three that got out. I have a backyard farm, which I started when I thought I was employed. So I started a backyard farm, which I grew up on a farm, a big farm, acres and acres. And so so I have a lot of critters here. We had three dogs. Now we have four because my son got his own puppy, which is about 10 weeks old, German Shepherd. Love him. Oh my gosh, he is the cutest little thing. Lots of training though, lots of time. So my son actually decided to stay home instead of moving out, which was his plan, and make the house payment for me until I get this business going and I can afford it myself again. Isn't that awesome? That's humbling. That's humbling. But it gives me more incentive to get my butt in gear and get this done, right? So anyway, that's a little prologue of a little introduction of where I'm at. That's kind of why I'm in this. I'm very down to earth, very casual person. I can dress up when I want to, but I'm a country hick. Honestly, I really am a country hick. Um, Years ago, I was actually in Japan modeling, but I'm not in that lifestyle. I don't care about fashion. I care about feeding my family. I don't care about coming online with makeup and great clothes all the time. I care about being comfortable when I can go out in the mud and wrestle some rabbits, right? So anyway, on with today's training. So glad you could join me, by the way. I really appreciate it. And I'm not even sure if I introduced myself. I don't remember. I'm kind of nervous getting back into this. I'm Bobbi with the Hopepreneurs. I'm the founder of the Hopepreneurs. And so we're going to talk about engagement groups on Facebook today. So right now, we are on my Facebook wall. It's not actually a page per se. We have business pages, and then we have personal timeline wall or personal walls on Facebook, and then you have your main timeline. So this is my personal wall, and so I want to talk to you about some engagement groups. Let's see. Go over and search in the group. So what you can do is you can go over to groups and spell it correctly if you can and just click in like engagement, but make sure you click groups, and then it's going to bring up a whole list of Facebook groups that you can join to be a part of. One that I actually left today, excuse me, because okay, first of all, you don't know the process of the Facebook group unless you join to see how they have everything run out, right? How they work everything. So I found out that they did the post for the group, right, for Facebook posts. Then you put your link in the comment thread. Well, what they're doing is they're not having people heart or comment on the individual posts in the thread. It's just go give them a thumbs up and come back and give them a thumbs up to show that you have gone to their post and you gave them a thumbs up. Let me tell you, Facebook doesn't give a rat's patootie about thumbs up. There is a social media manner, right? You got to go, if you're in business at all, and even if you're not, do this for other people, because your Facebook friend may be in business and need that engagement to work for their posts because they're trying to, earn money from home as a small business. It's really important, especially in this day and age, that we can, get as much reach on the free scale as possible. So if you're not in business, do it for your friends. So what Facebook really likes for the algorithms is a heart, maybe with a hug with the heart in it, or and a comment. So be sure, no matter what, you comment something like, oh my gosh, that's a great post, or happy Thursday, something like that. Try to be as genuine as you can, and don't put any links in somebody else's post. And forget the thumbs up. I just think that's like a whatever, right? Whatever, dude. I really don't care. But some people don't understand how that works, and they think it's a like. They're liking it. It's like, oh, okay, I'm gonna like this, but it doesn't work that way for us who are trying to get our reach out there to grow a small business. So anyway, you don't want to join engagement groups that have that kind of mentality and setup. So these are the groups I'm still in. I haven't really checked them all yet. I just joined. I really like this one. I can show you this real quick. This one, oh, my post is right there. Okay, so this one, you put your own post in, and then whoever sees it, they go to your link, they heart it, and they comment. Because see, I put happy no, that's my post. No. What I put is, I'll return hearts for hearts and comments for comments. Thanks so much. And then I put my link. I'll show you how to get your link too. Facebook changes things a lot, so it's hard to, you have to keep up with the changes. So I'll show you that in just a second on how to find the link for that. So you see I have some people here done. And then some of them are like, Jessica, done my 3 recent posts, please. So I'll go and do hers. Some of these I haven't gotten back with, so I'll need to catch up after I finish this video. Let's go over to my post though, and I'll show you how to get the link for your engagement posts for the engagement groups. Okay, so you come over here, and hopefully I remember correctly. Come over here and click embed. All right, now, yes, we're not going to embed, but let me show you this trick here. Advanced settings. Now see? URL of post. Now you can just go ahead and copy it, and you've got it. And then you can go over to your group and put it in there. All right. This one I wouldn't take that because there's some weird stuff that you'd have to really decipher through it. You don't want to have to do that. Just go ahead and click advanced settings, and you'll get to your link. All right. And then so I've got a whole bunch of likes on this one. I usually don't get a lot of likes. I get more hearts than likes on most of my posts. Hopefully I'm not fibbing to you. I think I'm telling you the truth. let me refresh and take a look. Because the reason I have so many likes on that one, not so many, it's actually a low. Let me go through here though. See, I usually get more hearts. I got more laughters on that one. That was a funny one. I accumulated a whole bunch of different mask pictures. Friday funny to pay tribute to the years of the ma. I don't want to say it. Facebook, don't shut my post down. But anyway, some of these are hilarious. I'll show them real quick to you. She's got a sponge on her face. I mean, every time I look at these, I'm like, ooh, see, that's not good. Cracking up. Now that one, look at that. That's pretty inventive. Get a little filter action there. Where's he? Oh, this one, he's like already. This is one of my favorites. It's like ready for the pandemic and a flood, or, I said the P word. But yeah, so anyway, that's funny. I think. I'm a dork though. So that's that. This is one that I have been marketing that is a $25 program that has the 100% commissions, the direct pay I was talking about. But I mean, these are awesome. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to still market them, but the tool I use now, I can put like opt-ins to these programs. I can like make a whole funnel and email sequence and like give some freebies out, and I can do a whole bunch of stuff with my tool. It is awesome. And my business partner she is amazing. Oh my gosh, she's so good. But you know, my business partner with this one is also, I love you. If you're watching this, I love you. You guys are all great. Everybody is great. It's just, you know, you need to do something that's going to work for you. I want residual income. I am not a socialite on Facebook. I'm not. I want to, you know, do other stuff. And so I will be concentrating maybe on some ads, but mainly trainings, mini trainings. I really get into it. I like it. And then some other little, you know, dorky posts. This is about the Daniel fast. I'm currently still on. It's almost over. This is the new puppy, guys. This is the new puppy my son bought. So I said yes because he's helping me. It's a very humbling experience. So, you know, kudos to him. Kudos to him for helping with this. My daughter hasn't gotten a paycheck yet, but she's working and she's going to be helping also. So I love my kids so much. So anyway, just make sure that, you know, you're using the engagement groups that have where you can say, you know, heart for heart, comment for comment, because comments are so important for engagement and algorithms. And if you go to somebody's video, if they have a video they're sharing, because you have to do it back, you know, reciprocate the effort. So if you're going to somebody else's, like it's a video, make sure you watch it all the way through. I know that life is busy and stuff, but do your dishes and let it play through, because that's gonna help the person, you know, stop it maybe somewhere and put a couple comments, 1 or 2 comments, but make sure you let it play through, and don't put it on the speed setting, because that's not going to work for their reach or their algorithms and stuff. Like YouTube and Facebook can tell that. So don't do that. Just let it, you know, put it on mute and let it play through. Be kind, because we're all here to help each other. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you watching my first getting back on the saddle video training. I think y'all are great, and just make it a wonderful day. And remember the Hopepreneur's motto: it's time to get your hopes up. All right? God's got a great future plan for you. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.